Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the QR into Photoshop and confirming it's high contrast and large enough to scan. Once done, rasterize or unlock the layer so you can edit pixels. This gives you real control. Next, you select color range and click the black modules, adjusting fuzziness until most black squares are highlighted. Make sure you save this selection to a channel or create a layer mask immediately so you can work non-destructively and precisely on the QR black areas. With the selection secured, add a hue/saturation or solid color fill layer and clip it to the QR layer so color affects only the modules. If you use hue/saturation, enable colorize and choose the hue and saturation. This lets you test different tones quickly. For solid color fills, try multiply or normal blending and adjust opacity to keep sufficient contrast between modules and background. Make sure you maintain contrast so scanners can still read the pattern, and use layer masks to finish by saving a copy with layers and exporting a flattened PNG for use. If you need transparency, export with an alpha channel but test scanning first. Once exported, test the QR with several apps and cameras to verify reliability, because color choices affect readability. If a code fails to scan, make sure the colored modules are darker than the background, reduce saturation or darken the fill, or switch blending to multiply. That troubleshooting step fixes most color-related scan issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.